Here we are at the front of 34 Charles Street in Midland. Let's have a look inside. Kitchen area. Classic old stove. Rear sunroom. Elevated position looking over your backyard there. Toilet, laundry. Bedrooms. Front yard view. Ceiling fans. Here's the bathroom. Got a split cycle air on the corner there. Let's go to the backyard. Large rear patio space. This is your garage. Brick. You've got side pedestrian access as well. Just here, that's what those bins are. Yeah, big patio. Got a rear sort of retreat room, granny flat. You've got power to it. Lots of options here. They use this space. Big block. Which goes all the way back here. Big block. Lots of options. The sunroom's pretty cool. The ceiling in this room in the front here is really classic. Look at that. Obviously the home needs work, but classic features like that are pretty cool. So that's 34 Charles Street in Midland. Thanks for watching.